Hi everyone, this is Randy with the Kindred design team, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the entrance gate die set. Now this entrance gate die set was just released and pairs perfectly with the Dino Park stamp set. The entrance gate die set comes with the large entrance gate, some layering pieces for the gate, some pieces for the torches, 2 of the palm trees, and some leaves to help layer palm trees or to create some shrubs and bushes. So let's start working on assembling the gate. We first have the large gate piece, followed by the pieces that layer on the sides of the gate, as well as on the actual gate, like so. So let's adhere these together. Now when you layer these pieces, you want to make sure that you go directly to the edge, and that way you can see it kind of has like a 3D effect here. And so now let's work on the little torches. With these torches, I thought it'd be a fun idea to pair them with the Flames craft die that you can find in the Kindred shop. And so here they are die cut, and I thought it would be cool to see if they can kind of layer. So cut off some of these little flames to help layer with the torches. Now we do have the palm trees, which I've cut out twice, and the leaves, but let's start working on our card. And then I'll start adding these to the card to help fill out the sides. I have an A2 panel that I die cut out from the Card Basics die set, along with a landscape piece that I die cut out from an A2 panel, and using one of the landscape dies from the Desert Scene craft die, also in the shop. So let's blend a simple background and ground. Before we start assembling the card, I wanted to use the war sentiment here. So let's see if we can heat emboss it onto the gate. Now let's work on assembling our card. So we have our palm trees and our leaves. I also have the characters from the Dino Park stamp set stamped out, fussy cut out, and I use Copic markers to color them. And we have our card pieces. is our final card using the entrance gate die set along with the Dino Park stamp set. If you have any questions, comment down below or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!